Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I will be reviewing Microsoft Office and walking you through the features of the application. So if that is something you're interested in or you'd want to know more about, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, you can find Microsoft Office on the Google Play Store or the App Store. It can be used on Androids and iPhone, and it is free of cost. Now, this is a very adaptable and functional app to have. It is your go-to app for the office, and it's very convenient because it is comprised of Excel, PowerPoint, and Word in one app. So you can use this to transform your pictures into documents. You can capture quick notes and ideas. You can sign PDFs and also create PDFs. Now, this application has a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, and there are actually other information that you could actually go through, such as the app privacy detail and so on. The sellers for the application is Microsoft Corporation. This app takes up approximately 361.3 megabytes on your device, and it is comprised of 33 languages, so it's very diverse and very handy. Now, if you should launch the application, you would be greeted with this beautiful interface right here. At this point, you'd be required to upload your documents if they were not created in Microsoft Office. Now, as you can see, there are two icons at the bottom of the screen, and we're currently on the home option. So above the action option, there is a button right there. If you should click on that, that would allow you to create Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and forms. You can also do quick captures, scan, and do voice recordings, which, as you can see, is a new feature in the application. Now, these are all my recent documents. You could also see documents that were shared with you by selecting shared with me, and you can also see pinned documents as well. Now, if you should click on your profile icon at the top left right there, you see that there are quite a few options right here. So you have storage, help, and Microsoft apps. So if you should click on Microsoft apps, you would see that there are a list of apps available here that you could get, and all these applications can be utilized within the Microsoft Office. Now, moving on. So if you should go back and click on settings, you would see that there are quite a few options within the settings. There's a tab at the top which says shows your pride, and this is in celebration of pride, and it has a rainbow flag icon. And there's also help and feedback, storage account, offline files, and push notification. Now, push notifications are notifications that are delivered promptly to you. You could notify me when someone is in a document, so you could notify you when on documents that you're recently editing. And you can leave these on or turn these off if you want. And as you can see, there are also auto format as you type, start Word, and some other options. Now, for privacy settings, if you should click on the privacy statement, you'd be redirected to a web browser where they would be showing you pretty much the Microsoft privacy statement. So they say your privacy is important to us. This privacy statement explains the personal data Microsoft processes, how Microsoft processes it, and for what purpose. And I think it's very important to actually read the privacy statement for applications before you use them, so you know what they offer and so on. So now I'm going to be looking at the premium version, and currently I'm using the free version. There's also a 1-month free trial if that is something you want to try. So for the premium version, it guarantees you 1 terabyte of storage, cloud storage, and you can organize and save up to 500,000 photos and documents, 2 megabyte file size with the device. So it is $5.99 monthly for one person and $7.99 monthly for 2 to 6 persons. You can unlock all the premium features of Access devices, and it provides advanced security, AI powered designers, and it guarantees you writing assistance. So if you're someone who wants all these features, you could pay the money for the premium version, or you could try using the 1-month free trial period. Looking at the top left of the screen, you can see that there are three icons there, and starting from left going to your right. So the first icon is the filter icon, and this pretty much filters your documents. So currently I have only PDFs here, and if I should, for example, click on Word and then select apply, all my PDF documents will not be available anymore because they are not in a Word format. So this can be used to help you organize your documents, or if you're looking for a particular document, you can use this feature to find that document. Now, if you should click on the bell icon, this pretty much is the activity, and it pretty much has your notifications there. There is not really much to discuss for the bell icon. And beside the bell icon is pretty much your storage folder. So this is where you would go to find your documents, or you could go there to search for your documents. Now you could also search for your documents on the home page. So for example, if I type in the letter T, all my documents with the letter T will appear. So this is very easy to use. Now if you click on the action icon, you'd see that there are quite a few actions here. You could do more with PDF, you could convert text to image, and more actions. So for do more with PDF, there's the option to sign a PDF, scan a PDF, change picture to PDF, document to PDF, and change a PDF to Word. For convert text to image, you can convert image to text and image to a table. You could also scan QR codes, create a form, rehearse with coaches. So for example, you have a presentation, you can be paired with a presenter coach to practice. And you can also share your files from your phone to your computer. So again, this is a very diverse, it's a very versatile and convenient app to have. It is very, very useful, especially if you're someone who types a lot, or you engage with documents on a regular basis, or even if you're a university student. So I would highly recommend getting Microsoft Office if you don't already have it. And that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. So I hope you guys found this video useful, or you enjoyed this video. So please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.